What is up, everybody? Beach Office 365, bringing you the latest and greatest in the degenerate DeFi world. And of course, today we're going to be talking about drip. Drip, baby. It's all about drip. You guys know I am a big believer in drip. Of all the degenerate DeFi projects I like to get into, drip is by far my favorite. It's the one that I have the most invested in, and I mean, I really think this thing is gonna blow up, man. Like we are. Let's quickly take a look over at the price. So I mean, look at this. If we zoom out a little bit, right? I mean, you all probably been seeing this. Oh, what an awful few months it has been, guys. I mean, it's just gone down, right? We had this little pump, right? But it was kind of like a fake out, and then but folks, are you seeing this? This is a change in what we've been seeing for the past feels like past year of just down. But this is a big change. This is people stepping in, right? This is people stepping in and starting to buy up. I know I'm one of them. I've stepped in. I jumped in. I bought yesterday. Actually, I bought this morning, just a small amount, like 10 drip. But I've been buying 3 different times in here. And I think others are doing the same. I still thought that we would get down to about 20. I even have this little line. We kind of zoom way out. Let me go to the day. Let's see here. Hang on. Yeah, I was kind of fiddling around with this. This is the day chart. I thought maybe we could see around 20 if you take a look at this here. But doing TA on this stuff, I mean, it's such a different type of financial product that standard TA, I don't think it really applies. And to be honest with you, I did a lot of TA in my years trading the stock market, but I have mixed feelings about TA, to be honest with you. I mean, it's like, you build a case for either direction, and that's usually what a lot of TA guys do. You know what I mean? They're like, well, it's head and shoulders here, so it's going down, but I also see a cup and handle, so it's going up. And like they can just always say they're right because they give you anyway. That's a whole other thing. I don't want to get too much into that. I still use TA. I still look at it. I do think that it can show psychology, and that's what's the most important. It can show psychology in the market. It can show psychology in whatever it is that you're investing in. So what I see here, if you think of psychology, is people are losing faith. The market is tanking, right? War breaks out, right? People are just kind of freaking out. We have wallets that are maxing out for the first time ever. So there's just tons of sell pressure. A little pop right here. Don't quite know what that was. I think that what we're seeing is some of these whales that are starting to max out their wallets. What they're doing is they're airdropping their drip into new wallets that they're creating, right? Which is great. That's great for the community. It relieves the sell pressure, and they are building more wallets that they're then pumping up, recruiting more people to join. By the way, speaking of recruiting, if you want to join my drip team, come on, guys. I'll leave the link down below. I'd really appreciate it. I plan to spoil the hell out of you with airdrops that I would be doing. So please, if you're not in drip and you're not quite sure how to get into drip, use my buddy address below, which you do need. Send me a message. We'll figure out a way that we can get on a call. I'll help you get it set up. There we go. So back to psychology. Boom. Right here. People don't want to let this fall any further. I think they're also waiting next week. We may get an actual date for the animal farm. Might be Tuesday. We might just get the date on Tuesday in terms of when he plans to do it. Forex is not great at delivering in terms of time-wise, but at the same time, the reason for that is he wants to make sure it's right. He wants to make sure there's no bugs, no tweaks, no nothing, so we don't get hacked or rugged like some of this other stuff that's going on. A lot of shenanigans out there. A lot of shenanigans. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments. I definitely want to hear what you guys think about drip. It's by far my favorite DeFi project that I'm in. And so I'd like to hear from you guys what you like. So anyway, peace out, 365. See you on the next one. And let's end this bad boy. Peace.